Hey, I'm Kyra and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we have an exciting video. I have a collective haul for you guys, including the new Anastasia Riviera palette, which I used on my eyes today. If you'd like to see that video, it should be the one up before this, so please go and check it out and like it if you do. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see future uploads, hauls, tutorials, empties, all kinds of things. We could do vlogs, so please subscribe if you like. Let's start with Sephora because obviously I just told you I got the new Anastasia Riviera palette. So excited. My Sephora didn't even have it out yet. I had to ask for it and they had it in a container behind the desk and I was like, oh, okay. She had just made a tester and everything, so I was one of the first people to get it at my Sephora. But this is what the box looks like. I'm sure you've seen it now because everyone's buying it, but I'm so excited. Now this is only the second palette that I've had from Anastasia. I did order the palette, the collection of palettes with Modern Renaissance, Soft Glam, Subculture, and the Prism palette, and that should be here in a couple days. I'm excited. Once I get that, I'm gonna go ahead and film my makeup collection tour for you guys. But so this is only the second one I have. I got Subculture previously from TJ Maxx, and so I've been enjoying that, but I'm excited to see what the quality's like in all the other ones. This one did not disappoint. I've already opened it, like I said, already used it, but the colors in here, to die for. They're just gorgeous. Like, I used this Bahamas color on my eyes today, and I used this Inheritance. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So if you haven't already gone and played with this, you need to. Alright, the next thing that I got from Sephora is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I've been loving using this on like my no makeup days or when I'm in a hurry. I got the color 1C1, which I don't know if it's correct or not. I haven't used this yet. I had a sample, but it was in a shade that was really orange on me, so I'm hoping this is the right color. The girl at the store said it would work out, so I got this to use. I also bought a Buxom Lip Cream, which I haven't had before. This is, of course, in White Russian, and I am excited to use this on my lips. I opened it to smell it. It smells phenomenal. Of course, now I can't get it open, but I'm sure you've all seen this. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty, like, light pink creamy color. I think it's gonna be great for every day, so I'm excited to use this. Also with my points, I got the Laneige, I think is how you say it, sleeping mask. I got 2 of them, of the sample size ones, just so I could try it before I spend all my money on it. But you know, I'm probably gonna spend all my money on it anyway because it's wonderful, just like everyone says it is. It kind of smells like watermelons to me. I don't know if that's on purpose or not, but it kind of does. And the last thing that I got is actually not from Sephora. Sephora was out of them, but you can buy it in Sephora. I went to the Dillard's as we were walking out and saw that they had it in stock, so I went ahead and bought it because I know everyone and their mother raves about it. I bought the Anastasia and Lazy highlight, and this thing is gorgeous. It is not what I'm wearing today. I'm actually wearing a TJ Maxx find, but this is gorgeous. Sorry about the lighting. Gorgeous. I'm sure you've all seen this too. But that highlight though, yes. So I got that. I've been on an Anastasia kick, if you couldn't tell, because that's 2 things, and then I have, I think, 3 more things to show you of hers. So yes. Okay, the next place that I have in this haul is gonna be The Ordinary. I placed an order online because I couldn't find what I wanted at Sephora, so I just ordered from The Ordinary, and it got here pretty quick. But I've been trying some new skincare things. I've been having some breakouts like right here and right here, and I figured it was just my skincare. I needed to amp it up. I'm getting older. You didn't hear me say that, but I wanted to amp it up. So the first thing I got actually isn't skincare. This is the foundation, the actual coverage, full coverage foundation, and I have a first impression / review going up on my channel. It might already be up. If not, keep a lookout for that. But this is their foundation, their full coverage foundation, not the serum one. This is in 1.1 pink, fair with pink undertones. And spoiler alert, I like it. But you'll have to see that video to see what I thought about, my in-depth thoughts about it. Alright, I also purchased the BHA peeling solution, the one that looks like you have blood all over your face, which is not a cool look. But this is what it looks like. It's really cheap. I've only used it twice and I've already seen a difference in my skin. This stuff is bomb. I was debating on getting this or the new liquid exfoliate, and I tried that and I liked that. But this, for only like, I think it was like $7, this is wonderful. You only use it once to twice a week for 10 minutes and it's wonderful. I already love this. And the next two things I love, but I don't know if they're doing a difference yet. I won't know for a little while. But I bought the Grand Active Retinoid 2% in squalane. So this is retinol in a different form. I'm getting some fine lines and wrinkles all up in here. Not cute. Well, it comes with age though. It's okay. They're experience lines. Anyway, so I've been using this. I added this to my nighttime routine, and for it only being I think it was $6.80, it's definitely worth the price so far. And then the other one that I got to add to my skincare, I love hyaluronic acid. I usually use a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid in it, but I figured it would be better to use pure hyaluronic acid instead of all the other stuff added into that moisturizer. So I got the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, and like I said, this was only like $6 too. So if I can get my skincare down to like $30 every 2 months, I'll take it. The last place that I have in my haul is TJ Maxx. Duh, love TJ Maxx. So I actually went to 2 TJ Maxx's. One, I went and they had a lot of things there, but they weren't, most of them were open and touched and used. So these were just a couple things that I picked up. I got the Too Faced La Creme Color Drenched Lip Cream in Marshmallow Bunny. I've never used a Too Faced lipstick before, so I figured why not try one at $5 instead of $25. Like I said, Marshmallow Bunny. It's really pretty. It's like a light pink color. So I tried it once, but I tried it real quick like in the car. So we'll keep trying this and see how it goes. I also, on lips, I got a lip gloss from, you guessed it, Anastasia. This one is in Sunset Strip, and this one's a little bit different for me. I've recently been into really nude things, but I figured I needed to go out of my comfort zone. So this is a lip gloss, and then, like I said, it's in Sunset Strip, and it is bright. Look, it looks just like my eyelids. Maybe even my shirt. I don't know. This must be the color of the day. But either way, I actually tried this on too, and I really like facial mist. Now, I'm not one for buying, unless like I know the brand, I don't buy most of my skincare, that kind of thing, hydrating masks, those kind of things from TJ Maxx, because I don't know what's in them. I know they give a list of ingredients, but I'm not good with that yet. So I just figured I'd try something that looked fairly simple. This is the Facial Prime and Setting Mist Hydrating Green Tea and Fresh Rose Water by Giovanni Eco Chic Skincare. I liked the smell. It smells good, and I know that green tea is good for your skin, so is rose. So I figured I'd try it. It smells good, it sprays nice, so if I continue to like it, then I'll probably go back and get more. It was only $5, $5.99, $6, so love it. We went past a different TJ Maxx in a different town while we were out. So I was like, hey babe, can we stop? And he was like, yes, of course. Actually, he's very supportive. So we did stop in, and this TJ Maxx was beautiful. They had all kinds of stuff, most of it unopened, like people's fingers hadn't been in it, which is not like the one that I have that I normally go to. So I got a Shimmering Glow by Stila. I love these. I'm late to the game, I know, but I love these. This one's in Twig. I already have Kitten and I think Smoky Quartz, but this one's in Twig. It's like a pretty brownish, bronzy, darker color, but I think it's gorgeous. Camera's making it look a little bit like poop brown, but you know, it's not. It's very pretty. It's got a lot of that, well, it's a shimmering glow. Got a lot of shimmer. Anyway, love these. Every time I find a new color that I don't have, I'm going to pick it up because for the price and how much I like them. I wear Kitten a lot. I'm just gonna keep picking them up, so. All right, I found the ShanXO, the Remix BH Cosmetics palette. Guys, like, it was $6.99. $6.99, are you kidding me? Like 18 colors and ShanXO at that. Like, I'm so excited. So I've not tried BH Cosmetics shadows. I know I'm probably the only person in the world who hasn't. I've used Coastal Scents. That's who I bought from. You remember when they had the big palettes with all the different colors in them? Those were one of my first palettes that I ever bought, and they were from Coastal Scents. So I've not tried any of the BH Cosmetics palettes, so I figured if I was gonna try one, let's try the ShanXO one, because I watch her. So, I'm sure you've seen it. It has two sides. There's 18 shadows. There's another bright pink in there. That's really calling my name. But gorgeous. And then the other side, let me take off the plastic so you can see. There's the other side. Gorgeous. So I'm excited to play around with this and make some looks out of it. If you want to see them, let me know. If not, I'll just post the final look to my Instagram. Shameless plug here. Go follow my Instagram. It's at Hey I'm Kyra, 2 Y's in Hey and 2 A's in Kyra. And you can always find me on Twitter at Hey I'm Kyra as well. Alright, last two things that I picked up from TJ Maxx are also Anastasia. I got an Anastasia blush trio. This was $10.99. But I've not tried any of her blushes, so I figured if I'm going to try them and I get them on cheap, I'm good. Same beautiful packaging as a highlighter. And this one is in the Peachy Love. I like peach colors. Hence the outfit. Hence the makeup look. But I like peach colors. These two seem to have a little bit of shimmer in them, not a ton, just a little. And then this one in the middle looks pretty matte, so I'm excited to try this. I haven't even touched it yet. Alright, and the last thing that I got, and I couldn't believe it, it's been on my wish list for like ever. I just haven't pulled the trigger to do it, and I should have, but I just haven't. I've been interested in newer things. I got the Anastasia Contour Kit, not the cream one. I found tons of cream ones in light and medium, and I was like, I don't cream contour that much. So I went ahead and got the, no, I went digging through them, and hidden behind all of them was this one, and this is the powder in light to medium. Now I've seen the deep ones before, but this one's in light to medium, and I was so excited. So I know you've all seen exactly what this looks like, but I'm excited. So it's got the 3 lighter shades and the 3 darker shades to contour with. I'm so excited. And like I said, I don't know if I said, it was like $15. $14.99. Yeah. So I'm excited I found this. So save some money there. Alright guys, so that is it. That was a lot, but that is it for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell if you want notifications of all my uploads. If not, you can just hit the subscribe button and see me in your newsfeed. As always, I'll leave all my links down below I'll leave links to what I can find, and then I will also leave links to me on social media. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!